In a world where power meets precision, the 2026’s Bulldozer stands as a true titan of the terrain. Designed to dominate the most demanding job sites on the planet, this behemoth isn't just the biggest bulldozer of 2026, it's the ultimate symbol of engineering excellence. With a roaring heart of cutting-edge diesel hybrid technology, the 776G8 blends brute strength with intelligent performance, turning impossible tasks into routine work. Whether carving mountains, moving millions of cubic yards of earth, or clearing disaster zones, the 776G8 defines the next era of earth-moving dominance. Let's start under the hood where the magic begins. The 776G8 is powered by a next-gen V20 turbo diesel-electric hybrid engine pumping out an unprecedented 2,100 horsepower. That's more than enough to flatten hills, tear through frozen ground, or push 200 tons of rock like it's wet clay. But what sets it apart is how that power is managed. Thanks to intelligent adaptive load sensing and electric assist traction, it delivers more torque where it's needed and reduces fuel waste when it's not. It's not just about raw strength anymore, this machine thinks. Now let's talk size. The 776G8 is massive in every dimension. It's over 23 feet tall, 48 feet long with blade, and weighs a jaw-dropping 262 tons. The blade alone is a marvel of steel and hydraulic engineering, stretching over 30 feet wide with an ultra-reinforced high-capacity design capable of pushing 150 cubic yards of material in a single pass. That's not just a dozer, that's a moving mountain. Mobility for such a colossal machine would be a challenge, unless you're the 776G8. Thanks to an innovative adaptive track system with carbon core rollers and self-tensioning smart links, it glides over unstable ground with surprising agility. Hills, rubble, snow, sand, it doesn't matter. The onboard terrain management AI automatically calibrates balance, blade pressure, and torque distribution in real time to maintain traction and efficiency. That means less slippage, faster cycles, and more control in every environment. Inside the cab is where man meets machine in total harmony. Step into a panoramic, climate-controlled cockpit that's fully sound insulated and equipped with adaptive air suspension seating. The operator is surrounded by 6 touchscreen panels offering full control over diagnostics, performance tuning, hydraulic profiles, terrain analytics, and real-time camera feeds. There's voice command, haptic feedback, biometric access, and even a full heads-up display projected onto the reinforced glass. The cab isn't just comfortable, it's a command center for conquering the Earth. When it comes to safety and support, the 776G8 leads the industry. It's equipped with a 360-degree vision system using lidar, thermal, and night vision for total visibility in all conditions. The onboard AI constantly monitors slope angles, stress points, and environmental hazards, issuing alerts or automatic adjustments to prevent rollovers, breakdowns, or collisions. There's also remote operation capability via satellite for hazardous or unmanned tasks, and full connectivity to site management systems via 7G telematics for real-time fleet coordination. Maintenance has never been smarter. The 776G8 features a modular self-diagnosing design. Components are integrated with smart chips that monitor wear and performance. Need a filter change? You'll know before there's an issue. Need an engine calibration? The machine does it on the fly. Hydraulic lines, tracks, and blade mechanisms are designed for rapid access with fewer bolts and no special tools. And thanks to remote diagnostics, technicians can troubleshoot or tune the machine without ever touching it. Fuel efficiency is often the Achilles heel of massive machines, but the 776G8 flips the script. With its hybrid powertrain, regenerative braking system, and idle management AI, it uses up to 40% less fuel than older models in its class while delivering nearly twice the productivity. It can even plug into on-site energy grids or mobile solar charging units to operate in partial electric mode, making it one of the greenest mega dozers ever built. Let's talk about legacy. The 776G8 didn't just appear overnight. It's the product of over a decade of innovation, feedback from thousands of operators, and relentless testing in the harshest environments on Earth. From the high-altitude quarries of Chile to the frozen oil fields of Siberia, this machine has proven itself time and time again. Every bolt, sensor, and line of code has been designed for performance under pressure. And that performance extends beyond earthmoving. The 776G8 is increasingly being used for emergency response missions in post-disaster zones, thanks to its ability to clear massive debris fields, build rapid evacuation paths, and operate under extreme conditions without human risk. It's no longer just a bulldozer. It's a rescue tool, an engineering marvel, and a lifeline when infrastructure fails. Operators who've had the chance to run the 776G8 all say the same thing. It doesn't feel like driving a machine, it feels like being part of something bigger. Every response is instantaneous. Every action feels calculated, even at full power. You get the sense that you're commanding the Earth itself, with a machine that listens, adapts, and delivers like no other. The learning curve, surprisingly short. Thanks to intuitive controls and intelligent assistance, even seasoned operators can master it within days. And for new trainees, the built-in simulator system allows for full practice in a virtual cockpit before ever turning on the engine. With the world's demand for infrastructure, mining, and rapid response capabilities growing every day, the need for machines like the 776G8 has never been higher. It's not just about who has the biggest dozer anymore, it's about who has the smartest, most sustainable, most reliable earth-moving solution. And in 2026, that's exactly what the 776G8 delivers. So when you see one of these beasts rolling down a transport flatbed or roaring across a barren landscape, you're not just looking at a bulldozer. You're looking at the peak of machine evolution. You're looking at the 776G8, and it's rewriting the rules of what heavy equipment can do. Whether you're in the business of moving Earth, rebuilding worlds, or pushing the limits of machinery, one thing is clear: the future is here, and it weighs 262 tons.